Hi everyone. Today I'm going to give you a quick demo on the second stage of our MFA solution. So mainly it's going to cover Radius integration, where you can send a push notification to any Radius client available in the market. So most clients support Radius, Okta, Secure Auth, NetIQ Advanced Authenticator. They all support the Radius protocol. So I'll be demoing how we integrate through our MFA product. Okay. So first thing what you will need to do is to enroll the user on the iSeries side. So I'm going to go to option 10 here and show you the user enrolled here. And what you have to do for Radius to work is you have to find the Radius name and enter here. And for future, we are working on a function to import and export Radius usernames and sync them with the iSeries users. So for now, we have to enter the username here. And if you notice the notification method, I marked it as push so that a push notification is sent to the selected Radius client. Okay. So once I do that, the second thing what needs to be required is you have to have a rule covering the protocol you're trying to connect to the IBM with to enable MFA. So in this instance, I'm testing and demoing FTP. So if you look at this, my username is ARP. I have the FTP server covered here. And I'm saying to use the NetIQ Advanced Authenticator, which I have pre-configured to send the push notification. So if you press F4 here, you can have multiple Radius authenticators. So based on the requirement, we will support multiple Radius clients. All right, so once I get this configured, so the rule and the user enrolled, what I will do next is I will do attempt to connect through via FTP to the server, TGQV5, and I'm going to enter my username and password. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to share my mobile device to show the push notification going. So let me share my screen here. Should see my mobile device shortly. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the NetIQ Advanced Authenticator app. I'm going to log on to that. And now I'm going to press enter on my logon here. That should initiate a push notification if this works right, and it did. So and I'm going to do an accept here. And then I'm going to share my screen on the iSeries, the FTP client side again here. Let me see whether I shared it properly. Let me see. Okay, so you should see here now I was logged on successfully to the FTP protocol. Okay, so that's the behavior of a successful logon. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a rejected logon, how it behaves. So let me do FTP here again. Again, I'm going to share my screen here on my mobile device. Let me connect to that and let me share my mobile device here again. So I'm going to share my screen again. And I will go back to the Advanced Authenticator client here. And I'm going to press enter here to authenticate the password. And I'm getting here the the push notification. This time I'm going to do decline, and let me quickly switch over to my FTP client session here. And you should see the login now was rejected because the push notification requested for it to be rejected. So that is basically the behavior. So integration with all the clients, the other protocols will have a similar behavior when connected through Radius to any Radius supported authenticator. Thank you. Hope this explains how all this is going to work. All right. Thank you.